Now students, we are going to deal with question number 13. Question number 13 figure is like this: triangle ABC. Here it is given to us that angle BAC is congruent with angle ADC. We have to prove AC square is equal to BC into CD. Now here we are going to write AC square means one AC must be in the numerator and other must be in the denominator. So that cross multiplication will be AC square. Now write down here BC and here CD. Now the triangle will be ACD, ABC and ACD. Correct? Now prove. In triangle ABC and triangle ACD, we have angle BAC is congruent with angle ADC. This is given to us. Then angle ACB is congruent with angle ACD, common angle. Therefore, triangle. Now here we are going to write the correspondence as ABC similar with triangle. Now A is congruent with D, so D, and C is congruent with C. So third letter must be C and remaining A is written here. Reason will be AA test of similarity. Therefore, now here AC upon AC is first and third letter, here CD is equal to, here AC is second and third in the denominator. So in the numerator it will be BC and reason will be CPST. Correct? Now therefore cross multiply, AC square is equal to BC into CD. Hence proved. So this is proved, children. Now whatever we required, we have obtained that. Correct? So two triangles are similar, we have proved. Now let us start with question number 14. Question number 14 is somewhat big. So we are going to start with question number 14. Now question number 14 is having the same figure as question number 12. So draw the figure. A, B, C, question number 14 it is. And D is the midpoint, P, Q, R, and M is the midpoint. Join PM. Correct? Given AB, AD and AC are in proportion with, now AB is proportionate with PQ, AD is with PM and PR. Correct? Then second thing given to us is AD and PM are medians. To prove triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. Now previously though the figure was same, it was given to us that AB and BC were given. Correct? But now, so we could prove that angle B is congruent with Q. Here that is not given to us. So we have to make some construction. So let us write the construction. Construction, extend AD and PM up to E and N such that AD is equal to ED and PM equal to MN. Then join CE and RN. So construction will be like this. Correct? Now here will be point E and here will be point N. Now here we have AD is median, so these two are equal. These two are equal. Now this side and this side are equal, and this side and this side are equal. That is the construction. Now here you have to understand why we have made such construction, so that we can say that AB is equal to CE, PQ is equal to NR, and then we are going to prove that triangle ACE is similar with PRN. So what happens because of that, you will understand. Correct? So should I erase this? Yes. Because we require more space for this sum, and I want that everything must be there on the board when I am writing. Correct? So let me make this continuous, so it will be easy for us to understand. Correct? Now proof. In triangle ADB and triangle EDC, here we are going to write AD is equal to DE, then this is construction, BD is equal to CD, here AD is median, and third will be angle ADB is congruent with angle EDC. Reason will be vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent with triangle EDC, and reason will be SAS, side, angle, side. Correct? So here, therefore we get AB is equal to CE. Reason will be CPCT. So these two we got same. CPCT. Angle. Now this I will write as angle 1. BAD is angle 1 and CED is equal to angle 2. Correct? Therefore, angle 1 is congruent with angle 2. This is also CPCT. Correct? Similarly, this will be statement number 1. Similarly, triangle, no need to write again, children. When we have proved it once, similarly you can write. So similarly, triangle PMQ is congruent with triangle NMR. Reason will be SAS. That means this side is equal to this side, QM is equal to MR, and angle PMQ is equal to NMR, vertically opposite angles. But no need to write that. Correct? Therefore, we have PQ is equal to RN. Correct? So let us write this as 1. That will be better. This will be 2. This will be 3. CPCT. Statement number 3. Then we have angle 4. 3 is equal to angle 4. Now which will be angle 3? This QPM will be angle 3 and RNM will be angle 4. Correct? So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This also will be CPCT. Statement number 4.